Okay, boys and girls, about 3 months ago I made a video on this very paper, put it on YouTube. It got 14 views. So apparently nobody understands what it is that we saw in here. So I'm going to call this the adult version. I did make what I now call the elementary school version. But to understand this version, you have to understand a little bit of simple arithmetic, specifically addition and subtraction. You know, plus and minus. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 minus 2 equals 0. So I do want to remind some of you out there of a little bit of history. That there was a time when people believed the earth to be flat. Later, as today, most people know and believe it to be a globe. That's like, a ball. So we have an interesting phenomenon going on today that's similar to that. And that is these eclipse patterns in here. The green dots here are eclipses that occur on these dates here. This right here are the Saros cycle line. The years 150, 140, 130, 120. These are all Saros cycles here. This side over here on the right are all the evens. This side over here are the odds. The green ones are ones that occur on the Saros cycles, and the reds are non-occurrences on the Saros cycles because of the nature of the way the Saros cycles are according to NASA. So I'm not going to explain everything in this paper right here because probably lose like a lot of people what they will understand on here. Some stuff I will explain on this video and more in detailed ones for anybody that would want to watch it. But these sixes right here are moon counts that are between this date and this date. As you can see, this line right here of sixes goes all the way, starting from the very top, comes all the way down. Very systematically. Does not change. Over here on the left side, this line right here is also moon counts between these 2 years. In this case, this one and this one. 680s, 235s, and 903s are moon counts in between these different eclipses. The order does not change down here. It's the same order all the way down. Time frame between these blocks right here, see the black line to the black line here, is 594.99 years on an average. There's 5 blocks on this paper right here. 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. These over here on the left side and the right side are years. Right inside a year, we'll start on this block right here. 19 years almost exactly. You can see the 0.00224. That right there only works out to be minutes past 19 years. Each one of these 235 moon movements is 19 years. The 903 is also almost exactly 73 years. and the 680 moons is 54.979 years. This over here are all the number of years in accumulation, starting from the 0 point right here. 19 plus 19 equals to 38. Okay, 57. This is the years accumulating as it moves down through that cycle until it gets to 59499. So, again, I'm not going to explain everything in here, but this line right here, left and right, odd and even, red and green, are all, and then the sorrow cycles right here, all come from NASA's sorrow cycles. These are the occurrences according to NASA. So in this now time that we're in, I call it the now time. It means this current time. You can see the dates inside of here. It's 2005, 2024. Okay. Also over here on the even, 2005. These are both eclipses that occur in 2005. These are both occurrences that occur in 2024, and so on their star cycles. So starting in this block right here, you've got all these greens showing up in exactly this pattern right here, with these movements in moon counts and year counts. This block is starting in 1856. These are all green. They all occur on this pattern of 6 moons between them. The 680, the 235s, and the 903 moving in these years. See all the green? There's a red there, some green. Again, reminding you, this is in the current time that we're in. Right there. You go outside this block right here, you can see there's still green back here in this group. And then they start to turn red inside this other block here. Again, the block right here is our current time, has 1 red in it. Again, if you look right there, it's on the screen right now, they're all green. Right through here. In this current time of ours. If you go in the future, you get these greens and reds. Here's the next block. Again, there's the current time block of 600, or sometimes they say 600, but it's 500. 94.99 years on an average. Moving to the next block right here. Quite a few red ones that show up. I'm going to move to the next block. And they're all gone. That means that they're gone. They don't occur there. They don't occur anytime after that. This order right here in the years and moon counts are exact duplicates from block to block. So now moving back in time from this current block. Again, you have these reds that show up, means non-occurrences, according to NASA. And going back, the next block back, there's a few green ones in this block going backwards. But then from this point right here, they're all red, back as far as one can even think or see, according to NASA. They don't exist in this pattern anymore. So, got a question for you. How does this pattern right here has nothing in back here that exists that way? starts to come into existence with these green ones, moving up in time, starting to exist more. They're coming in. Now they're there in the exact same pattern in our time. Now they're starting to go away. The pattern changes. They don't exist in there. Starting to not exist. Reds, red, 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 and then dead. They don't exist. Sorry. According to NASA, anyway. So back to the flat Earth, globe Earth. This right here, all, according to the people and scientists and everybody out there, is fact. Now you won't find any of this fact on the internet because it's not talked about, it's not discussed. And I know nobody even knows. It's not there, it doesn't exist. You will find and understand this only on this channel, only by me, and only by my drawings. Should apologize for that. So here we have the same kind of phenomenon in people's belief. Flat Earth. Flat Earth belief and globe Earth belief, because they all exist. Here. Same thing over here on this even side. So here on Earth, these are, again, these are eclipses that, according to NASA, factually occur, and then according to NASA, factually don't occur. So we'll call this fact. Also flat Earth. And we'll call this over here fiction. Also globe Earth. So, again, somebody want to explain how that happens? How do we not have any eclipses over here in this order of moons and year counts? And then we do have them over here in this now time. It's, 600 years or something of green ones right inside here. Oh, man.